on Selection met, and the new chairman of the Senate Committee on Livestock and Animal Husbandry is the distinguished Senator Shehu Boba, and the committee chairman on National Intelligence and National Security is the distinguished Senator Abdullahi Yahya, CON. Then we have acting chairman on Committee on Air Force, the distinguished Senator Osetangu. Then the committee chairman on national planning will be distinguished Senator Mustafa. Distinguished Senator Musa Mustafa, you will now be the new chairman on Committee on National Planning. I will give you the composition of your members with the vice tomorrow.
Adoption of rules and proceedings.
Your Excellency, Mr. President, Aliyu Yamwa Makur remains my name.
Will you please second the motion? Another announcement.
Mr. President, very distinguished colleagues, the fourth business of the day
of Thursday, the 27th day, and seconded by Senator Habib Mustapha. Say aye.
On the Digital Communication Platforms Oversight and Regulation Bill 2025, SB.
Chairman Banking, take your seat.
Chairman Banking.
Chairman Power, take your seat.
Bill 2025 SB 971, first reading.
Distinguished colleagues.
It's not working.
To acknowledge the presence of the delegation of